everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Proforma invoice inside Odoo 19 sales module. So this is basically a super useful tool when you need to share a draft invoice with a customer before confirming it. So without stretching, let's directly dive into the sales module. Okay. So once you open the sales module, we need to enable the configure option inside the settings menu. For that, let's head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have the settings. And once you open the settings menu, once you scroll down, then there you can find the Proforma invoice under the quotations and orders. So you need to enable this. This is basically allows you to send a Proforma invoice to your customer very easily. And once you enable this option, please do hit the save button and let it load. So here a Proforma invoice is usually generated from a quotation or an inside a quotation. So let's start by creating a quotation for our customer. For that, let's move to the orders and there we have our quotation. And we are going to create a new quotation. And there we have our dashboard, and the top section there you can find different kind of option, which is send Proforma invoice, print, confirm and preview. So our option is enabled here, and we are going to specifying with the customer, which is deco edit, and you can add all other configured option, which is repra, invoice address, quotation template, expiration date, recurring plans and price list. If this particular quotation have any price list, you can also put that, and there we have the payment term as well as. So here I'm going to change the payment terms as immediate payment, and you can also change all the configured option. Here I'm not going to do anything, and here I'm going to add the product under the order line tab. Here I'm adding acoustic block screen in the variant black. I'm going to add 2 quantity, and once I'm done with that, let's confirm this. And here I'm going to add one more product. Okay, let it be the blue denim jeans and in the medium size with 1 quantity, and let's confirm this order. And yeah, I'm done with the order line tab, and now I can use these options. Okay, so basically you can also click send by email to share the Proforma invoice directly from Odoo. It's proportional and saves a lot of manual work. And you can also, now instead of confirming the quotation, you can simply click on the print and select the Proforma invoice. Odoo will generate a neat PDF version of the Proforma invoice that you can download or send to your customer. For that, here I'm going to click on the option which is send Proforma invoice. And you will get a visa like this. So there you can see the two for whom we are going to send the Proforma invoice, which is deco edit. And there we have our subject, which is my company San Francisco Proforma invoice with the reference. And there we have our starting message with hello, your Proforma invoice for quotation. This amount will be $800 to $28 is available. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any question, and Michelle admin is sending this Proforma invoice. And there we have our PDF format. So if you're clicking on this PDF, you will get the PDF of the Proforma invoice and everything. So once you are done with this, or once you're confirming with this, let's send this to our customer. Okay. So that's how simply you can review a Proforma invoice, and that you can send to a Proforma invoice to a customer. So that's all about that. And once your customer is okay with that, let's confirm this. And here the quotation is moving from the quotation side to the sales order. And let's create an invoice. Let's create a draft. And once we are done with that, let's confirm the sale order. And we are going to create a payment. Let's create it. And ta-da, it's done. We are done with all of these things. And yeah, that's it. You just learn how to create and send a Proforma invoice inside Odoo 19. It's quick, professional, and keeps your sales process very smooth. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like, drop your questions in the comment box, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Till that, bye-bye.